Hi, Christine Faulkner with Faulkner, and you've probably noticed we've switched to video for our Christine's Family Wealth Planning Secret. So I'm just back from Colorado, my third trip in 3 months driving. It's been an adventure with Jean Marie, my sister, and one of the things that we accomplished while we were in Colorado with my aunt was getting her estate planning in order. Just so happens that this is what I do, so it made it easy for her. But one of the things that we took care of on our last visit was making sure that her documents were properly executed with two disinterested witnesses. So our article today is all about getting your planning documents in place, making sure that the do-it-yourself plan that doesn't work for others doesn't happen to your family, and that you know that your documents must be properly executed. We can help. So check out the article. See you next time.